welcome to the Hospitality and Catering Options video. Hopefully this presentation will answer any questions you've got and hopefully convince you to take it next year. So to start off then, this is a vocational qualification. Vocational means practical based, so we're going to do a lot of practical activities next year, as you can imagine. Being a food-based course, we do a lot of cookery. It's a level 1, level 2 course, which means it's equivalent to a GCSE, and the exam board is WJC. So if you want to type in WJC Hospitality and Catering to Google, you'll find lots of information about this course, more than this PowerPoint presentation will give you. Also, if you want to email me as well, for any questions, I'll happily answer them, so feel free to do that as well. So why should you take hospitality and catering? Well, that is a big question. Do you like to cook? Will be the first one. If you do, then this is the course for you. But hospitality and catering is one of the biggest industries in this country. It's worth 87 billion to the economy and employs over 3 million people. You will gain an insight into this industry and understand how it all works, ranging from our kitchen runs to marketing trends and running a successful business, which is quite hard to do in this industry, even though there's 87 billion pounds floating around. You will cook a lot, okay? It is a practical based course, and I will emphasize the fact you are going to cook a lot. Your skill level will increase rapidly. We do a lot more complicated things than you may have done previously in year 7, 8 and 9, okay? And there'll be at least one practical a week. Okay, you'll even get to choose what you cook on most occasions. Okay, I'll give you the option based on a theme to pick what you want to cook that week. I will not be always telling you what to do. Okay, I expect you to find your own recipes and try out new things. So this is not just a cookery course, it covers food science, it covers nutrition, it covers business skills, and it covers new technologies, just to name just a few. Okay, you'll gain knowledge on nutrition, how to eat well, how to prepare meals, and dietary requirements as well. Okay, so the course outline, to keep it very brief and very simple, it is 2 units. One of them is the hospitality and catering exam, 90 minutes focusing on questions about the industry itself. So it could range from chef dress code. As you can see, I've got chef jacket on. There might be a question based on that, or it might be types of establishment, or it might be about environmental health, or it might be about food safety. But it's a 90-minute exam about those type of questions. That is 40% of the course. The other 60% is made up of the control assessment. It is, you will design and create your own menu and show off your practical skills and display nutrition knowledge according to a brief set by the exam board. Okay, a written piece of coursework is created as well as a practical exam, which usually lasts about 2 to 3 hours. You have to cook several dishes and then I will mark them, okay, depending on how much skills you've shown off. So Unit 1 focuses on the hospitality and catering industry, the job roles, the kitchen operations, food safety, running a business, types of establishment, etc. This is the exam unit and this is what you'll be assessed on in the 90-minute exam. Unit 2 is food safety, nutrition, the nutrients, dietary health problems, diet through life, healthy eating, food commodities and culinary skills. Okay, and that is the coursework module. Right, so if you want to continue after high school, then there are many options available to you. You can go into a level 3 course, which is health, hospitality and catering, or food and nutrition, which is more science based. You can study advanced cookery at college if you want to be a chef and you want to go into advanced culinary skills. You can go into in-work training, so you can get a job in a kitchen and they will train you up. You can go into industry, do work experience, apprenticeships, or go into a degree. You can do science-based degrees in food and dietetics if you want to work in hospitals to treat sick people and things like that and help them with their diet. But even if you don't, then you can continue. You've got a life skill if you take this course. At the end of it, you can learn how to cook, you'll learn about nutrition, you'll learn about the industry. So it's a very vital thing to have. So hopefully I've answered a few questions in this very brief presentation. Any questions, feel free to email me, and hopefully I will see you next year ready to cook and ready to learn all about the hospitality and catering industry. Take care.